Hello and welcome to lecture 4 of the series of video tutorials of Excel for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a customized list of data items which you frequently used. Before creating a new customized list, let us see if there are any built-in lists available. So I come on the cell A6 and I write over here Sunday. Okay, now I click on this bold dot at the right bottom of the cell and click it and drag it. Here you can see it has by default provided me with the list of all the days. Similarly, if I write it like that, SUN, and I do the same thing with it, again it has provided me with the list of days. Similarly, if I write January over here and click on this bold dot at the right bottom of the currently selected cell and drag it over here, it is giving me a list of all the months. Now the question is that how has this happened? The answer to this question is that this is actually a list of days or a list of months already created and stored. We can create our own customized list and store it in Excel. For that, we need to click on this Office option, need to go to Excel options, and then from here in this popular tab, I need to click on Edit Customize List. Here you see these were actually the list which were already created and built in, and they were pre-stored and we were using them. If you remember, we used this one, we used this one, we used this one, not this one but this one. Similarly, we can create our own list, new list. In the list entries box, we can actually enter any list. For example, I write the names of the capitals of the 4 provinces of Pakistan. Lahore, Peshawar, Karachi, and Quetta, and then click on add. You saw the list has been added over here. Similarly, you can just click on any list and you can delete it. For example, if I want to delete this one, just click on it and delete. Yes, you cannot delete these pre-built in or pre-stored list. Now this is actually a customized list which you have created, and you have pressed the add button and it has been added in this customized list box. Press on OK. OK. Come here. Now write only Lahore. Just click on that bold dot at the right bottom of the cell and drag it, and here you see the customized list has been created. Now there is no need to writing these names separately again and again. If you frequently use them, you can just create any customized list. Yes, I have inserted in the row, you can insert it in the column as well. For example, I write Lahore, click it, and here you see the names of the capitals of all the 4 provinces of Pakistan has been generated. So in this way you can create any customized list and use it in your Excel. Hopefully it was useful. Thank you very much.